Legenia, and I am so glad that you are here. I've got a great one today, guys. We are going to be making fabulous, cool, and refreshing summertime drinks that fit within our ketogenic lifestyle. I've got a smashed raspberry tea, the pink drink, yes, the ever so popular pink drink, and also a rosemary green tea. Cool, refreshing, and all of them fit within our ketogenic lifestyle. You're gonna love this one. Stick around and watch. The first thing I'm going to do is fill my measuring cup up with hot water and 3 green tea bags. And I use this Body Key green tea. I get this from Amway. I'll leave a link in the description box where you guys can get this. It is a really good green tea. It's really, really strong. So I'm going to only use 3 bags for 4 cups of water, again, because it's really strong. And we're going to let this steep for quite some time. So I'm going to pour my hot water in here. Okay, and make sure you use a measuring cup that can handle boiling hot water. All right. So for each of the recipes that I'm going to be using today, we're going to need a cup of this green tea. So the rest of the green tea I'm just going to save for later, but we're going to let this steep for about an hour, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill a little bit, and then we'll move forward with our delicious summertime beverages. All right, everyone, for my passion drink, I am going to use these passion tea bags here from Tazo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what it looks like, T-A-Z-O. So I'm going to call it Tazo. So we're going to put 2 of these tea bags in here with 1.5 cups of hot water. All right, so here we go. We're going to need 1.5 cups of this. And you guys, this tea right here is so delicious. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a really yummy tea. Okay, 1.5 cups. We're gonna let this steep for an hour, and then we're gonna let it chill, after which we're going to commence with our passionate drink beverage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my raspberries to my glass. And you can go in with a fork, or if you have one of those little masher things, you can do that. But I'm just going to use my straw that I have here. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to smash these. All right, we're going to smash these, get all these juices out. Okay, this is called muddling. Just gonna muddle these really good. Oh, and I almost forgot my sweetener. I'm going to put a teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener in there. Put however much sweetener you want to put in there. That right there is enough for me. I'm just gonna smash it in with these raspberries because I do want my tea to be a little sweet. So I'm mashing this, and it's just, the juices come out. It's nice, it's juicy. And oh my goodness, you can smell those smashed raspberries. I love it. Now we're gonna go in with our green tea, and this glass holds about 2 cups. So I'm gonna just add about 2 cups of the tea in, just like that. Now I'm going to give this, guys, a squeeze of lemon. I have some fresh lemon here. I'm gonna just add a little squeeze of lemon in there. All right, guys, and lastly, we're gonna come in with our ice. Amazing. And we're gonna give that a stir. So refreshing. And lastly, I'm going to garnish it with my lemon. All right, guys, and there you have it, our smashed raspberry green tea. Let's give this a taste. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste. That is fresh, cool, and refreshing. If you are a green tea lover, then you are going to love this. The raspberry and the green tea mixture is just wonderful. And then that's fresh squeeze of lemon juice. It's just what this thing needs. This is a fabulous drink, cool and refreshing, and is great for the summertime. Now on to the pink drink. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on our pink drink. So as you know, I already showed you that we have our passion fruit tea right here. It's been steeping for almost 2 hours, so it's nice and ready to go. So I've got some coconut milk here. We are going to need 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk. So I'm just gonna pour it right into my little mini blender. And guys, I got this mini blender from my sister-in-law like 2 years ago. And I put it up because my plan was to take it to work and have it for me at work because it's a little portable one. I totally forgot that I had it in there, so I'm gonna be using it today for the first time, and I am so happy because this is just a neat little contraption. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fill this with 1/4 of a cup or 2 ounces of coconut milk. We're going to also add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add in our passion fruit tea. And to this, you can add liquid stevia drops. You need about 7 drops of liquid stevia. I am going to use monk fruit sweetener. It is my favorite. I'm not fond of the taste of liquid stevia. So I'm going to add 2 heaping spoonfuls of monk fruit sweetener. All right, I'm gonna put the top on and let's get ready to blend this up. So this part of the blender, it's a USB charger. Let me just show you guys this really quickly. The little USB charger, that's how you get it to work. That's what makes it portable. So I've had it charging for a good minute. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it and add the top part too. Tighten it in like that, and let's get to blending. All right, so that's it. It is nice and well blended, and isn't that pretty? It certainly is pink, I tell you that. All right, so I'm gonna leave this in here for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get my garnish together, which is going to be some strawberries. So let's go ahead and cut those up. Okay, everyone, let's put our pink drink together. It smells fantabulous. And here we're gonna add some of our fabulous cream right on top there. Got our strawberries. We're gonna just go ahead and add our strawberries to the side like that. Actually, I think I want another one. I think I want another strawberry on here. Let's give our pink drink a taste. Oh, yes. This is fruity, and it has almost like a floral type taste to it. It is absolutely delicious. Definitely the best low carb pink drink out there today. You gotta try this one, guys, I promise. All right, guys, this was so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on to our very last drink. I'm gonna first start out by putting about 1/4 sprig of rosemary into my cup. And so I've got my rosemary in there, and I'm going to put in my tea bag. Now I'm going to fill this with a cup of hot water. And I'm going to allow this to steep for 1 hour. All right, everyone, our last beverage is ready to put together. So I've got my glass here, and to this, I'm just going to first add my ice. All right, I've got my ice in. Now let's pour in our rosemary green tea. And to our rosemary green tea, we're going to simply add 2 lemon slices. In they go. And if you want a little bit of garnish, I always love to add another little sprig of rosemary. And there you have it. Delicious, cool, refreshing, and it fits within your keto low carb lifestyle. Okay guys, my rosemary green tea is ready. Let's give this a taste. Fresh and so refreshing. The monk fruit sweetener is amazing in this. Of course, again, you can use stevia if you'd like stevia. That is just fine. It's just not my favorite. The monk fruit works perfectly in this. You can definitely taste that rosemary. It comes through beautifully in this tea. And the green tea flavor along with that lemon, this entire mixture is just wonderful. And again, this is a great summertime drink, and it fits within our ketogenic lifestyle. This is another one, guys, that you are going to love. All right, everyone, our smashed raspberry green tea, our pink drink, and our rosemary green tea. These are all fabulous for these hot months, and you are going to love them. I'm going to leave the net carbs for each drink in the description box below, so take a look at those. You will be very, very pleased. All of these are delicious, and I hope that you guys get a chance to try them out this summer. Again, they are perfect. Nice, cool, and refreshing. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another episode of Sincerely Legenia. I've got some more great videos coming up for you this week. I hope that you guys enjoy them. To all of you who are new to Sincerely Legenia, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, then stick around. Press that subscription button below and press the notification bell next to it so that you know every time I upload a brand new video. Until the next time, guys, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'm going to talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.